What's up everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm going to talk about how to add clothes to a dummy in your Roblox Studio. So before getting to this, first you need to make sure one thing that should be logged into your Roblox account. So this is very important, so you should be logged into Roblox account because I'll be demonstrating you why this is necessary at the last. Now from here, first go over here on a search for the Roblox Studio, and you have to get into the Roblox Studio. Now from here, I'm going to demonstrate you how we can do this step one by one. So the first and foremost step, you just need to go over here, click on new experience, and you have to create a new experience over here like this. Now from here, what you need to do is we just need to, in order to create a rig, we need to create or do some things. So the first one, we just need to go over here, click on our avatar, and right now from here, click on the rig builder. So this is actually, there are few criteria over here like this. You can select the rig type R16 or R5, and also the body shape can be masculine, feminine, it's all depends on you. And we have options like my avatar, skin avatar, block avatar, mesh avatar, and all those things. So what I'm going to let me go for block avatar. And right now, as you can see, I have created one of these like this, which looks very absolutely fine. And now what I need to do is I just need to go over here, make sure I have to expand or click on the Explorer so I can get all these details. Now I have to go over here and click on the rig, and I have to expand this. Now from here, I have to select the body colors. So now these are available body colors over here. Now from here, I am going to select this particular one for head. We can do the same for head, hands, torso, and everything can be changed from here. And I'm randomly selecting few colors in order to make it looks like this. So I have set it to head the green, and this has been set into yellow color. And right now, once after you do this one, you can, in order to add the clothes, we need to get into the plugins. So it's very important. So go over here at the top, click on the plugins. Now from here, click on manage plugins. Now from here, as you can see, already there is one plugin which I created in order to check it, but I'm going to create another one. So just click on the plus icon over here. And now I need to make sure the plugin is selected. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to search here for accessory. Right, I'm going to search here for accessory over here like this. So I need to scroll down, make sure the spelling is correct. That is ACCESSORY. If you randomly search anything, you'll not be getting the required plugin which I'm going to demonstrate you. So you have to select this one. And now you'll be getting this particular plugin called accessory inserter. So you have to select this one and go over here, and you have to go for install. Now this particular plugin is completely installed over here, which is going to take a bit of time because it has to get completely added up. So we need to wait for this. And once you add this particular installer over here, as you can see, we have two accessories over here. One, which is the first one which I created, and we have the insert accessory. Now what we need to do is we just need to close this over here and navigate to the insert accessory. And over here, we need to paste an ID. So for this, we need to get into the Roblox. So that is why I said, so what you need to do is just go over here on a Google Chrome, and you have to sign in to your Roblox over here. You have to sign into the Roblox. Then you just need to go over here, search into the Roblox, and sign into your Roblox account. And right now, when you sign into the Roblox account, make sure that you go over here on the marketplace. Now from here in the marketplace, you'll be getting all the available free as well as available things over here. And from here, you have to add anything. For example, I'm going to select this particular one. What I'm going to, let me scroll down. I'm going to give this particular jacket or this hoodie over here. So what I'm going to, let me go over here, and I'm going to select this one, and I have to go for add, or I have to select this one. So if I select this one, as you can see, this is available over here, and this is available. This is denim tears hoodie, and also over here you can see there is a number over here at the top in the URL, which is 1172, some kind of big number, which you have to copy this particular number. And once you copy this number, you have to go over here and you have to paste this number, right? You have to just paste this number, and you have to go for apply. So once you go for apply, what happens, you can see the hoodie is available. Now you can make sure this particular cloth is available, and you can add this cloth into your Roblox, and you can set this up. So similarly, you can not only cloth, you can do whatever you want to do from the Roblox over here from the marketplace. You can add even the clothes, everything can be selected from here, and you can add it. And this is how we can set this up. Even if you want the slippers, you can do this. And even if you want complete a jacket over here like this, or if you want any kind of heads, you can do this and all. So I really find this really good, so I'm going to add this as well. So what I'm going to, let me go over here, and I'm going to just find this particular number over here at the top. Now let me copy this particular number, and I have to copy this and go over here in the Roblox Studio. Just go over here in the Roblox Studio, and I'm just going to paste it. Note that I'm just going to paste it and apply. So as you can see, I'll be also getting this particular one, and also I can add it. So now you can set up your Roblox over here. This looks really messy, but you can remove it, the unwanted things, and you can just add the needed one, and you can set this up. So this is how you can do this, and I hope this quick video is helpful. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. That's it. Bye bye.